There was Wilson Reservoir. And this is a pretty cool road. Now we just gotta get back down. Pretty cool mountain there. Check out that canyon there. Wow. Sign says no trespassing. It's too bad. I'd really like to go that way. I remember the last time I came this way, there was just some awesome ranches out here. Look at this. Beautiful. And way up there on the hill, I don't know if you guys can see it, somebody was doing some kind of mining up there. Not sure how to get up there, but there was definitely a mine at one point. I kind of get the feeling I should probably check out my map. Is this going this way here? This doesn't look familiar at all. Something's a little different about it. Well, maybe it is the same way. I don't know. I remember there being a bunch of ranches. Wow. Look at that house out there. Boy, you don't see that very often in Nevada. Looks like a plantation out there. Well, apparently whatever they're farming, they're making some money. That is quite the farmhouse or ranch house for Nevada. Silver Creek Ranch. Oh, look at that Moto Giant. There's some wild horses for you. Pretty sure you can just flop down anywhere out there and camp with the horses all you want here in Nevada. Well, I don't know what reservoir that is, and I've definitely never gone this way. Look at this. This has got to be part of the Indian Reservation. Got a little gopher snake there. You should probably get out of the road. And there's a gopher snake. Either way, alright, let's focus on what we got in front of us here. Look at this reservoir. There's a new one on me that I've never been to. And this definitely isn't the road I took before. So far I've enjoyed the ride though. Okay, so here you go, Moto Giant. This is where I suggest you camp. Right here. We can mark this spot on the GPS if you want. Those are wild horses. No fences, no nothing. Just wild horses. They're pretty. We had to go explore this. Luckily for me, I got one more ice cold beer. ADV Nevada Sheep Creek Reservoir. This is it. The Shoshone Paiute tribes proudly welcome you to the scenic Sheep Creek Reservoir. Excellent rainbow trout fishing. Enjoy your stay. Well, look at this. Oh wow. Oh, it smells good. Whoop. Pack of mosquitoes right in the face. Yuck. Looks like they got some campground construction going on over there. Look at this place. Huh? Boat launch. Ooh, we can drive across the dam. Well, look at that big old pelican out there. Oh wow. Boy, I thought those bridges on the Bruno River are in rough shape. This one here's about, and oh, you can go around. I think I might go around next time. Look at this. Well, here's all the water. They got plenty of water in this one. There's no signs of the water being down here at all. I don't think it's even maybe an inch low. Oh, wow. 2 reservoirs in one day. Oh, I love the Adventure Glide channel. I think that barn tipped over. Pretty cool little grassy road. Let's take it. Rock there. Look at this. I feel like I crossed over to the wrong side. I think I'm gonna hang out over here. Well, check that out. Well, that was Creek Reservoir right there, ADV, Nevada. Oh, check it out, fly fishing down here in the banks. Pretty cool. Looks like the water's starting to get a little bit choppy. I'm not gonna push my luck on that bridge. I'm gonna try the wrap around. Well, so I'm not a bridge guy, yeah, but I felt a lot more comfortable there. I looked online and said that there's 30 campsites out here and 6 restrooms. I don't believe that there's any showers, and it looks like they're in the process of redoing a few of the campsites. Oh, I see a little electric boxes. That's what they're digging up. They're putting power in. Wow. Boy, that'll bring in the crowds. Being able to plug in right there. That will be nice. Look at those camp spots just right down by the water. Picnic table, awning. Out here at Sheep Creek, they don't let a whole lot of water out. Looks like they keep it right at the maintained level. Look at that. It's a good sized lake. We'll continue on. Our next destination will be reservoir number 3, and I believe it's called Lake Billy Shaw. To be fair, I didn't know that this was the actual direction I was going. I wasn't really paying attention to the map. I just took a dirt road. ADV, Nevada. Oh, Lake Billy Shaw is this way. Mr. Turn. Well, we gotta go check out these horses real quick for Moto Giant. Help him find some camp spots in northern Nevada where he can camp with wild horses. Because apparently South Dakota let him down. So this is a nice thing about Nevada is we got horses. And we got wild ones. And if you'd like to camp with these horses, you're more than welcome to. So, Moto Giant, I recommend you come right out here. You camp right here. We set your, what do they call that? The haven up from fence post to fence post. Now you're gonna have to be quiet because they don't really like the sound of the motorcycle. But we'll put you with some wild horses. Spencer Road, Airport Road, Billy Shaw. That's where we're going. Lake Billy Shaw. Let's check this one out. Whoa! The slippery road here. Alright, well, we should be coming up on Lake Billy Shaw. Looks like the signs wore down. I don't know which way's the right way to go. Well, this one doesn't seem like it's taking me where I want to go. I'm pretty sure I got that bird. Well, here's the very tip. Well, I feel like we didn't see a whole lot of Lake Billy Shaw. Oh, crap. Somehow these horses got pinned up. Well, that's going to be a lot easier for Moto Giant to be able to camp with these horses. It totally depends on what kind of color of horse you want to camp with. No, I never really camped with them before. Not on purpose. Well, there's some water there. Old Billy Shaw kind of looks like a marsh or something. We're on the back side now. I'm guessing since the ground all around us is relatively flat that the water's pretty shallow, but that's all I got to go off of right now. Oh, I think we're going right into the armpit. I'd say this one isn't quite as developed as Sheep Creek. Boy, but it is cool. Oh, Lake Billy Shaw. I feel like we already went this way. Oh, it's a double fork. Quadruple fork. Oh, it turns out there's a 5th fork on Lake Billy Shaw. Sorry, I don't, Cinco fork? Yeah, Cinco fork? Yeah, maybe it's Cinco fork, I don't know. I'm not very good with Spanish. Oh, we made it all the way around to the other side. Oh, here's the edge. Looks like this is a dam here. Oh, they're fishing the edge of the dam here too. They must have some top secret information. Look at this. Here's Lake Billy Shaw. Alright, got a wave out of him. About time. Oh, look at this. Found a couple more horses. Alright. So those ones look like they're ready to make camp. That one's already laid. Oh, I changed this one. Holy. There must be a really big horse out here. Appreciate you guys checking out the channel, and it was a real fun ride today. Saw 3 different reservoirs. We saw Wilson Reservoir, Sheep Creek Reservoir, and Lake Billy Shaw. We also took a little trip up Mount Wilson, which that's a really beautiful area too. Come all the way back through into the Oahe Indian Reservation. And remember what Bob always said, make sure you wash your motorcycle.